Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Windows PC restarts after selecting shutdown. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on start. Now here type advanced. System settings. Then click on view advanced system settings. Now underneath startup and recovery, click on settings. Now uncheck this box automatically restart. System failure. So underneath this setting here you will see automatically restart. Just guys, you have to uncheck this box, then click on OK. Now restart your PC or laptop. So this is the basic way guys you can fix and resolve Windows PC restart after selecting shutdown. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.